Are you two good friends?
Even with your best friend, you've got to watch out for the ear flap slap. Girls, you're wasting your whoopee cushion on someone this doesn't embarrass.
Look it. Oh, got them both doing it. Bear, just give me.
Cats always land on their feet, you know, after you peel them off your crotch. Get ready for a pool full of pinchers.
He's standing up on his back feet.
That syringe is filled with 12 cc's of adorable.
Where you going? Where you going? We'll find it.
He's fine with the real raccoon. It's the stuffed raccoon that freaks him out. Normally, the problem is bird droppings, not birds dropping. Wow, he reminds me of the guy in front of me at the buffet. Hey, Napoleon, share the grub. It is better to be a Chihuahua dressed like a boxer than a boxer dressed like a Chihuahua. I know he's searching for food, but he might want to throw out that sweater while he's in there.
What's the problem? You don't like her in your bed? Hey, Katie, are you happy? Are you happy? No. Are you happy?
Tell me more. Tell me about it.
Christmas is all about goodwill among men. Doesn't say nothing about cats and dogs.
Max sure would like to go swimming, wouldn't he?
Judging by the paw prints on the side of the pool, he's done this before. One thing about cats, they've got choreography.
This one's from Mommy. This one's from Grandpa. This one's from the dog catcher.
Whoa, hey! 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 Let me clip your nails. Are you psycho? Excuse me. Okay, here, we'll do like a little kid does. Here comes the plane. Killer? Whoa!
Liam, you got the ball in your hand?
Just because you want to play catch doesn't mean he does.
No, that's all right. Just throw it at him now. Go, Pablo, catch the ball. Oh, good catch, mate. Let's see if he can catch it this time. Try catch the ball, mate. Oh, he's missed it again.
Now throw it at him.
Oh, good attempt there. Good attempt, Pablo. Nearly got it. Got to put a bit more effort into it, but... No, that was a bad throw. Let's throw it at his nose. No, that wasn't at his nose. Look, like this. You ready, Pablo? Ready? Here's a ball. Here's a ball. Pablo. See?
Was 2 nights before Christmas, and all through the room, the kid with 2 shoes on his hands went kaboom. A dog, a cat, and a rat. It's the cartoon pecking order come to life. Ironically, the bear is the scaredy cat.
Who did this mess? Who did this? Cody, did you make this mess? Murphy, did you make this mess? Maggie, did you make this mess? Somebody made it. Who made it? Who made this mess?
A lot of people are allergic to cats, but do you know what cats are allergic to? Sharing.